All right, so this is a greenhouse you can purchase from Amazon. I would say that for the price, it's a pretty awesome product, and I would recommend it if you're looking to maybe grow some spices or herbs or some flowers or something like that in the wintertime. This will help keep the plants nice and warm. The durability and quality, they seem okay. I'm not sure how well it would stand in strong winds, but I guess I'll see over time. Everything functions pretty good out of the box, and like I said, the price is right, so I would definitely recommend the product. So let me show you a installation video and my initial impressions. So here's our greenhouse ready to be assembled. This is what the final product will look like. Oh, there it goes. And then here's some basic instructions. Looks pretty easy to put together. So they give you the some of the connectors. You get all your different pools and individual bags. There's your stakes with your string to hold it in there. Here are your shelving units for the inside of the greenhouse. These are the corners for the poles. Then you have some of the top end poles, as well as the actual material that covers the greenhouse. So I'll take a video while I put it together. So here's the greenhouse in its final resting place. I'm going to put it in the corner of my yard here, kind of in between this side of my house, so that the wind won't be as affected by the wind. I got a little space there so I could still weed eat. Perfect little spot for it. So let me go inside of it. I'll unzip the front here and show you what it's like inside. All right, so I got the front open. It's got some straps that kind of hold it in place if you want to keep the front door open. It has 2 windows on each side, which you can also roll up, and there's a little tie on the top that kind of ties it in place. And then it also has some Velcro on it to hold it down when you have the windows down. As you can see, there's plenty of shelving space in here. I am 6 foot tall, and I can actually just barely stand in here. The material seems all right. I'm not sure how it's going to hold up in the strong wind. We get hurricane type winds here all the time, so that's kind of why I wanted to tuck it into the corner of my house. I'm also going to need to use the stakes that they provided and go ahead and stake down the corners. They screw in, so that's kind of nice. It'll just screw right down in the grass, and then you can run the string that they gave you, or the rope, through these right here and stake it down on each corner. But anyway, pretty cool little greenhouse.